Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to our dearest Nanay. Wishing you
good health, endless joy, and peace of mind.
thank you, Nanay, for your love and care. Have a great day, Nanay.
We love you.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday, Nanay! Happy birthday, Nanay! Nay, happy birthday po! Ingat ka po palagi! God bless!
happy birthday.
Happy 82nd birthday po, Nanay. I wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
Happy 82nd birthday, Mama. God bless you always and I love you.
We love you po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to
Happy birthday, Mama! Isang pagbati mula dito sa anak mo sa South Sudan. Dinadalangin ko sa ating Panginoon na naway mapuno ng kasiyahan at kagalakan ang espesyal na araw na ito. Naway pagkalooban ka pa niya ng malusog na pangangatawan at mabuting kalusugan. Naway ang lahat ng iyong kahilingan sa araw na ito ay pagbigyan niya. Mama, nagpapasalamat din ako sa pag-aaruga at pagmamahal mo sa amin. Wala kami kung nasan kami ngayon, kundi dahil sa mga sakripisyo. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Mama.
kabasa mo, oy.
I love you. Happy birthday ulit. Mwah-mwah. Chup-chup.
Ma, happy birthday. Ingat lagi. Love you.
Hi, Ma. Ma, happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi, Ma. Alam mo naman po kung ano yung laging wish ko para sa'yo. God bless, Ma. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday po, Nanay. I love you. Ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Nay. Adunay na safe ka dara kay importante kay ka sa akong kinabuhi, Nay. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nay. I love you. I wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
Hi, Ma. Happy 82nd birthday. Panalangin ko sa'yo. Lagi kang masaya, malakas, malusog, at laging masigla. Masaya ako kasi ikaw yung naging mama namin, na lagi nakasupport sa amin, lagi kang nandyan. Kaya gusto namin, lagi ka ring masaya. So, happy birthday, Ma. Love you.
Happy 82nd birthday, Nanay. I wish you the best and I hope that you live long enough to see me graduate. And I want to thank you for the amount of love and care that you've given me. And I am very appreciative of all the gifts that you've given me. And now, I want to celebrate your 82nd birthday alongside with you again. Bye-bye!
Maligayang kaarawan, Mama Aurora. Ikaw ang ilaw ng aming tahanan. Maligayang kaarawan, mahal naming ina. Pagmamahal mo'y aming dala sa habang buhay. liwayway, nagbigay init at bagong buhay sa iyong ika-82. Pag-ibig mo'y dakila, sinta, maligayang kaarawan, Mama Aurora, aming Aurora.
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you. I wish you more birthdays to come, good health, and more blessings.
Hello, Nanay. Happy birthday. I wish you good health.